Hi guys, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Taking the attendance, Abdullah,
Yes, miss.
Adam,
Yes, miss.
Ahmed Amr,
Yes, miss.
Ahmed Sharif. Ahmed Sharif. Okay. Iyad. Is Iyad here? No. Farida.
Yes, miss.
Hamza.
Yes.
Huda.
Yes.
Jumana.
Yes.
Karma.
Yes.
Laura.
Yes.
Okay, Zain. Okay, Zain. I saw the message. Layla. No. Muhammad Izzat. No. Mariam Mu'taz.
Yes, miss.
Omar Gamal. No. Ruqayya.
Yes.
Okay. Ruqayya is here. Ziad Tamer, he's entering. Ziad Hussein. No. Ziad Tamer, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Zain is here and Mona is here. Okay, guys. So we are going to finish. Yeah, I want to tell you something, guys. As for the answers or the worksheet, that was page 34 and 35. Okay, 34 and 35. Last week on Classera, you will find the video lecture of both yours and 6A's sessions. Okay, so I want you to check. I want you to check year 6A Thursday session. Okay, I want you to check them, please. The videos of the session of year 6A on Thursday. You will find it uploaded on Classera in the video lectures of last week. Okay, you will find that I made them at the beginning of the session, like on the white board, a summary that will help you guys answer or find it easier in page 34 and 35. I know it's a little bit complicated, and this is why it took a long time last session, which was on Wednesday. So this is why I want you to re-watch this video again and tell me if you find it easier or not. Okay? Now we stopped at page 36 and we said that we are going to finish question number 9, right? And did we have any other homeworks? Hello? Oh,
No, miss.
I'm very sick of this. Is there anything else except question number 9, page 36, that we did not do together?
No.
The rest of the pages, except page 40 and 41. Forget about 40 and 41 now. Any other page, did we didn't do anything else? Are you there, guys? Should I proceed with the session or what?
Yes, miss, I'm here.
Thank you, Ahmed. I know that you're here. What about the rest of the people? Would you please bother and answer me?
Miss, I'm here, yeah, Miss.
Then why aren't you answering me, guys? Whenever I ask a question, why aren't you answering me? Okay, Zain, I want you to get it from just from anyone else and send it to me, or maybe in a piece of paper and submit it to me, because this way you're not going to get any marks. So I want you to submit it to me. Okay, please open page 36, question number 9. And before doing this, I want to tell you what are the homeworks that, or the people who submitted the homeworks. First, you have the homework that I gave you last Monday, dated May 17th. The homework was pages 29 and 30. The people that I received their homework are Ahmed Sharif, Adam Ihab, Ahmed Amr, Jumana, Mona, Hamza, Lara, Ziad Hussam, Huda, Karma, Abdullah, Layla, Ruqayya, Maryam, and Iyad. I will say the names again. Ahmed Sharif, Adam Ihab, Ahmed Amr, Jumana, Mona, Hamza, Lara, Ziad Hussam, Huda, Karma, Abdullah, Layla, Ruqayya, Maryam, and Iyad. Those are the people that I received their homework that was given to you on Monday, May 17th, which was pages 29 and 30. Okay. The other homework that I gave you was on Tuesday, May 18th, which was pages 38 and 39. And the people who I received their homework are Ruqayya, Maryam, Lara, Adam, Huda, Karma, Ziad Hussam, Ahmed Sharif, Iyad, Jumana, Hamza, Abdullah, and Mona. Those are the people who sent me the homework. The rest, please, if you did not hear your name, please submit your homework so that I can give you the marks. If you checked your Moodle, you will find that I gave you zeros. This is because I did not receive any homework from you. Okay, Farida, you told me that you have a problem with your eye and now I think it's fixed, or what? Huh? Farida, you need to check your mic. If it's done, if you're okay, is it okay now? Your eyes are okay. Please submit the homework so that I can give you the marks.
Yes, I was doing it all yesterday. I'm gonna submit it today in the break.
All right. Okay, guys. So as I told you, please open page 36. We're going to do question number 9 together. The question says, describe how naturally acidic rainwater can affect a mountain of limestone. Okay, limestone. What is limestone, guys? Do you know what is the chemical name of the limestone? What is the chemical name of limestone? Do you remember? Or lime? Lime. I'm not going to say stone so that you will not get confused. What is the chemical? Please raise your hands. Raise your hands. Okay. What is lime? What is the chemical name of lime? Yes, Hamza.
Carbon hydroxide.
Carbon?
No, calcium hydroxide.
Yes. So the lime is calcium hydroxide, and lime water.
Me?
Yes.
I don't remember the lime water.
Lime water is the diluted solution of lime. So this means that it is the diluted solution of calcium hydroxide. So both lime and lime water are calcium hydroxide, but lime is concentrated calcium hydroxide, while lime water is the diluted or the the diluted solution of calcium hydroxide. Okay, so now in question 9 they say how the natural acidic rainwater, because we know that rainwater contains a little bit of acidity. Why? Because of the thunder. The thunder causes the acidic, the rainwater to be slightly acidic. It is something related to chemistry and physics in the same time. You can read more about it. Okay, so because of the thunder, the rainwater that falls on earth is actually a little bit acidic. And since the lime is calcium hydroxide, which is an alkali, this means that they're going to neutralize each other. They're going to form a neutralization reaction. And now the reaction between the acidic rainwater and limestone will result in salt and water. And this will make the mountain corrosive. It will not be a mountain anymore. Some parts of it will start to crumble because of this kind of reaction. Do you get it, guys? Do you understand? Huh?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so I have Ahmed Amr and Hamza in my session. Thank God. Okay, so limestone is made of calcium hydroxide, which is an alkali. So when acidic rain water falls on it, neutralization reaction will occur, which will result in the formation of salt and water, and the mountain will crumble. Okay, so this is it, guys. We're done with the acids and the alkali lesson. We now are going to start with a new lesson. So I want to make sure that everyone,
Miss,
yeah,
the quiz is tomorrow, right?
the quiz is tomorrow. Yes, thank you, Abdullah, for reminding me. Guys, are you all there? Because what I'm going to say next is important.
Yes.
Are you all
Yes.
there? Okay.
Yes.
All right. So tomorrow's quiz is not going to be during the session. It is not going to be during the session. It's going to be.
It's going to be
It's
from
going to be.
2.5 to 3.25.
It's going to start, yes, after the end of the school day. So this will be around 2:30. The quiz will open at 2:30. Okay. So you will have tomorrow a normal session, a normal science session. And after finishing the school day at 2:30, you are going to take the quiz. Okay, is it clear?
This it will be on the acids and the alkalis, huh?
Yes,
Okay.
the whole acids and alkali, the whole thing. Okay, and I want you to pay attention because there will be a bonus question in the quiz. Okay, so I think it will be like 21 questions, 20 for the actual quiz and one bonus question. So please pay attention and don't forget to answer it so that you can take the bonus mark.
Message from 2:30 to 3:15, the quiz.
Thank you, Hamza. Okay. So now we're going to start the new lesson. Should I erase this? Are you done?
Yes.
No, wait.
Oh, wait,
Yes.
No.
I already did it. Okay, so now let's start with the new lesson. Okay, So in the new lesson, we're going to take two body systems that you already know about, but we are going to take it a little bit in details, which are the respiratory system and the circulatory system. Okay, first we're going to start with the respiratory system, which is really easy. And then we're going to do the circulatory system, which will be easy also, but with a little bit of details. Now, the respiratory system is responsible for a lot of processes. What are those processes? You have three main processes that the respiratory system are responsible of: respiration, ventilation, and breathing. Those are the three new definitions that we are going to learn about. And the differences between them is major, and I hope that you can remember the differences between them. So again, the respiratory system are responsible for a lot of processes, not only breathing, but we have also.
respiratory system.
Are you talking to me, Hamza? Okay. Are you talking to me?
No.
Okay. So respiration, ventilation, and breathing. Okay. So what are the differences between those three types of processes? First, you have respiration. Respiration is what comes out, or why is breathing important? Breathing is important because it is responsible of burning the food that we eat in order to give our body energy. Okay, so the word respiration means the importance of the respiratory system and the breathing process. Okay, why? Because breathing is important for this, which causes respiration. This is what respiration is. Respiration is when the oxygen that we take in from breathing combines with the glucose, and the glucose is the main component of any food or most of the foods that we eat. Oxygen plus glucose, they result in carbon dioxide, which we breathe out, water, which our body need, and energy, which our cells need in order to perform all of the other processes that your body is doing. So respiration is the definition that shows us the importance of the breathing or the respiratory system. Okay, so respiration simply is the combination between oxygen and glucose to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Okay, is it clear? Respiration is clear? Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So respiration, we're done with respiration. Now, what is ventilation? Ventilation is simply the movement of air in and out of the lungs. The movement of air in and out of the lungs, this is what we call ventilation. It's the process itself of the respiratory system, okay? Ventilation is the movement of air in and out of the lungs. This leaves us with the breathing. Breathing is the process that the muscles are involved in. How? Breathing is the movement of your muscles, of your chest muscles, in order to aid you to ventilate. The movement of your muscles, the muscles that is included in your chest cavity, is very important for the breathing process, because without them, you need specific types of equipments and devices that help your muscles move in order for you to take in and out the air. So the breathing process is the one that the muscles involved in. So without this, you need a specific equipment or device in order to help your muscles move so that you can breathe easily. Okay, so the ventilation is the movement of air in and out of the lungs. The movement of air in and out of the lungs. The breathing is the one that the muscles are involved in. The contraction and relaxation of the chest muscles in order for you to be able to breathe. The contraction and relaxation of the chest muscles so that you can breathe. Okay? Do you understand the difference between the three definitions? Do you understand the difference between the three definitions? Hello?
Yes, Miss, we
I
understand.
miss.
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So now I want you to open your resource pack, page 45, please.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Open your resource pack, page 45. Your resource pack, page 45, please. Page 45. Okay. In page 45, question number 5 says, differentiate between ventilation and breathing processes through writing the definition of each. Differentiate between ventilation and breathing processes through writing the definition of each. Who would like to answer this? The difference between ventilation and breathing.
Miss,
Yes.
I entered late because it couldn't let me.
I couldn't let you, Muhammad.
No, not you. I was joining, but I don't know what happened. It doesn't
Okay,
let me
what
in.
about the previous sessions? Let me see. Muhammad Izzat. Yeah, you did not attend any session last week. What happened? There was something wrong
The
also?
internet was bad. The internet was bad last week.
Anyway, yes, Hamza, are you going to answer this one? Okay, who would like to answer that? What is the ventilation process, guys? Who remembers what is the ventilation process?
I know.
Okay, yes, Ahmed. What is the ventilation?
It's the process of breathing in and breathing out.
It's the flow of air in and out of your lungs. Okay, the flow of air in and out of your lungs. Okay, now what about breathing?
Breathing is the process of your lungs contracting and expanding.
Not lungs, the muscles. The muscles of your chest, yes, the muscles of your chest contracting and relaxing. Okay, all right, thank you, Ahmed. The contraction and relaxation of your chest muscles. The contraction and relaxation of your chest muscles. Now, the next question says differentiate between aerobic respiration, okay, or we can say only respiration, and breathing process. Now, we know what breathing is. Ahmed already said it, which is the contraction, again, the contraction and relaxation of your chest muscles. What about the respiration, guys? There was a chemical equation that we can understand respiration by it. A chemical equation that we can understand respiration by it. I think I can just let everyone out and leave Ahmed Amr only by himself in the session. Apparently, he's the only one who's paying attention. Yes, Farida.
Miss, it's the air and the
It's the reaction between what and what?
It's the reaction between air and the
Not air. What in the air? A specific
is
gas.
the oxygen
Yes, oxygen,
and the
glucose. Glucose, okay?
So I
Oxygen.
know.
Thank you, Ahmed, but Farida's doing it. Oxygen plus glucose, yes, which will give us what, dear?
will give us carbon dioxide
Yes, carbon
and water.
dioxide. And what else?
Water.
Water. And the most important thing, what makes you run and play and do everything in your life? You need what? You eat?
Energy.
Energy, exactly. Energy. Okay, so this is what respiration is. Oxygen plus glucose, which will give us carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Okay? Now, do you get it? Do you understand the difference between all of them?
Yes.
All right. So should I erase this and get back to the PowerPoint?
Yes.
we finished writing.
Okay, please make it quick. Make it quick, please.
We finished.
All right.
No يا مش بسرعة.
I'm sorry I did it. So you can rewatch the video, okay? You can rewatch the video.
Okay.
Now, okay. Now, what is breathing? What is breathing? Breathing is when you breathe in, this is what we call inhalation, okay? Inhalation or inspiration, both are right. Both are correct. Jomana, what are you in, like year 1?
No, Miss,
Jomana?
I didn't mean to do it.
Okay. So breathing in is what we call inhalation or inspiration. This is when you inhale or you breathe in air, including oxygen, of course, which is the most important gas that we need from the air that we breathe in into our lungs. So breathing in, another name for it is inhalation or inspiration. This is when you inhale or breathe in air which has oxygen in it into your lungs. What about breathing out? Breathing out is also called exhalation. When you exhale, or sometimes they call it expiration, this is when you breathe out the waste products that you don't need anymore after you breathe in. Like what? Like carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is actually a waste product that comes out of the reaction which happens between oxygen and glucose. So you don't need it anymore. It's actually toxic to your body. So this is why we exhale to get rid of this waste product. So you inhale what you need, which is oxygen, and you exhale what you want to get rid of, which is the waste gas, which is carbon dioxide. Okay? Now, the respiratory system function. Why do we need the respiratory system? We need the respiratory system to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. You need oxygen, your body needs oxygen. So this is why your respiratory system are providing you with this gas, and you want to get rid of the carbon dioxide. So your respiratory system helps you to get rid of it. Okay? Now the location of the respiratory system is actually extending from the head to the chest. Your respiratory system is not only in your chest. It's not only in your chest. No, it starts from a part of your head, which is your, what's in your face that is considered the start of the respiratory system?
Nose
Yes.
or mouth?
So yes, no, your nose. You breathe, you're supposed to be breathing from your nose. Okay, the people who breathe from their mouth, they have a problem with their nose. So you should start by your nose, and then the respiratory system extends towards your neck, and then from your neck to your chest. So this is why the respiratory system are included in all of those three parts: your head, your neck, and your chest. Okay? In your head, as Ahmed Amr said, your nose is the first part of your respiratory system, which is connected then to your trachea, or what we call it windpipe, which is found in your neck. So your nose is the beginning, and then it's connected to the part or a tube in your neck, which is called the trachea or the windpipe. Then after that, the trachea is connected to the rest of the parts that are extended in your lungs, which you can find in your chest. Okay, so you will find that the trachea is a long tube that at some point will branch out into two main branches. Each branch will go to one of your lungs. So first you have your nose, then which is connected to a tube in your neck, which is called the trachea or the windpipe. And then the windpipe will branch into two main branches. Each branch will get into one of your lungs. Each one of those branches are called the bronchi. The bronchi. Bronchi is representing only one of the two branches. So if you're talking about one branch, you're going to call it bronchi. If you want to name the two or make it a plural, it's going to be bronchus. So bronchus represents the two branches. If you want to talk about only one branch, then you're going to call it the bronchi. Okay? So again, from your nose is connected to the tube that extends in your neck called the trachea or the windpipe. Then the windpipe will extend until it branches to two branches. Each one of those branches are going to get into one of your lungs. The name of one branch is called bronchi. And then each one of those branches will branch even more, will make even small branches. Each one of those small branches are called bronchioles. Okay? Yes.
Is the quiz tomorrow about this stuff?
Who are you?
Ham.
Muhammad Izzat, I need you to read the Moodle and Classera to check what is the quiz about.
Okay.
And do you think I will give you something today and I will give you a quiz about it tomorrow? It doesn't make sense. Yes, I never did that. Okay, so again, let's go through the stages again. So first you have your nose, which is connected to the trachea or the windpipe, and then the windpipe will extend until it branches into two branches. Each one of those branches will get into one of your lungs. Those two main branches are called bronchi, while then the bronchi will branch to even smaller branches called the bronchiole. Okay, is it clear so far, guys? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
At the end of the bronchioles, at the end of those small branches, you have very small air pockets, very small air pockets called the alveoli, or another name for them is air sacs. Okay, the small pockets at the end of the bronchioles are called alveoli or air sacs. Okay, so now this is not only what the respiratory system is made of. It's also made, of course, with the two main organs in the respiratory system, which are the lungs and some muscles that are really, really important in the breathing process. Without those muscles, you will not be able to breathe. Those muscles are the rib muscles that is surrounding the lungs, those rib muscles that are surrounding the lungs, and the diaphragm, which is at the end of the lungs. It's just right below the lungs. You have a very important muscle called the diaphragm. Those muscles are really vital for the breathing process, and without them, you will not be able to complete the breathing process. Okay? Now, I want you guys to finish page 42 as a homework. You're going to do page 42, question number 1A. Okay? B and C, we will still take them tomorrow. Okay? And page 43, the whole page. So you're going to do page 42, question number 1A, and page 43, question number 2, the whole page. Okay? All right, guys. So I'll be seeing you tomorrow. And as I said, tomorrow you have a normal science session, and the quiz will be after the school day ends at 2:30.
Mrs. Is the homework due tomorrow?
Is the homework due tomorrow? Yes.
Okay.
Okay. I'll be seeing you tomorrow, guys. Bye.